Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks, and this is for the week of February 19th to the 25th. Now, my entire month was kind of like all wonky because I went on vacation, so it kind of threw off the spreads that I wanted to do. So when I was in Mexico, this was the week of Lunar New Year, and then when we got back it was like Valentine's Day, and I totally forgot that I had this kit right here. This is from thecoffeemonsterzco, and it is a Lunar New Year, Year of the Dragon themed kit, and I forgot to use it. So I don't want it to go to waste, and it is the Year of the Dragon, and there's a little dragon right here. So we are a few weeks late, but you know, celebrations kind of go on for a few weeks, which is great. So I'm using it. That's my justification. I also brought in this Tombow marker in 020. It's like this yellow shade, which I thought we could bring in with this color right here. And then we have my tweezers from Printpression, Sarasa Mark On pen in 0.5, and my Coffee Monsters Co. ruler. And then we have our scripts as per usual. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I just like to tell you guys where everything is from, just in case. These are from OK Plans. These are custom scripts that I had made, and you get a ton on a sheet. And I think a sheet is like $5 or something like that. So anyway, let's just jump into it. Now, this kit is very small compared to other kits I've used, but we're gonna work with it. I think this is enough. Date numbers, storage, and I feel like those, oh, these are tiny. These ones, they're in hollow. I have so many foiled date numbers, and I just wanna use them up. Ooh, we should use gold. Do I have a gold one? These numbers are too big. Do I have any other? Yeah, I think these are too. Does it matter, you think? Just because, you know, gold goes really well with Lunar New Year, like red and gold. You know what? I think I'm just gonna, like, I don't know. I guess I could use hollow with this kit. I am just going to use these numbers here because I like the gold. It goes with the Lunar New Year theme. And let me just put this one back. This album is from Simply Gilded. If you guys are curious, she has a bunch of different colors. I love this hot pink color, but it's a great way to store some of your stickers. Okay, so let's zoom in a tiny bit more so you guys can see what's going on. So again, the 19th is Monday. So these are nice little clear circles. All right, it's actually not bad. They're not obnoxiously big, so I am fine with that. All right, so how have you guys been? How's everything going? I would love to hear from you. This particular week was our first week back from vacation. Just been going through waves of different feelings and emotions. Nothing crazy bad, but I feel like I'm just constantly trying to figure out my life. Oh my gosh. All right. Actually, I really like how those fit. All right. Oh, these were from Caress Press. And again, just trying to use my stickers up. All right, I'm going to put these, oh, there we go. I'm going to put these down Monday. Now, what I've noticed is that Coffee Monsters Co., I believe she just uses plain matte paper, and the colors of her stickers and her kits are a little bit more dull. So just keep in mind that the Coffee Monsters Co. kits and sticker sheets are a little bit duller than some other companies because it's on regular matte paper. You know, I don't really mind. It really just depends on the mood that I'm in. But sometimes I like a bold and bright kit, and then sometimes I like these more subtle colors. But yeah, it just depends on what your preference is. And I have this kit, so I just wanted to use it up. I've been really, if I'm gonna be honest, I've been struggling with my Hobonichi Cousin weekly, the weekly section. And right now I use it as a memory keeper, which was my entire plan, which is what I'm still doing. But I'm just not loving the spreads. Like, I think out of all the spreads I did so far this year, I've only really loved one of them. And the other ones I'm just like bleh about. So I'm just trying to decide if I should change up like how I use my weekly section. But I haven't really figured that out yet. Okay, so we have a weekend banner. How do people use this? Maybe just like on this side? I don't really know. All right, we're gonna jump back and forth because I'm always all over the place. I'm gonna put some of the washi down. And this is just like really skinny washi, so I don't know. I guess I'll just put it here. And I was thinking about pulling in some washi, but I don't really have anything that goes with this kit, so I'm just going to wing it. And then up here, there's only one more strip left, so I'm gonna put that on this side, right here. Okay, so we're going to do from, oh, should I use the marker? Maybe I'll use, should I use this? Sure, let's just try it. Let's line this up. Apparently it's somewhat straight, so I'll try to double it. There we go. Okay, can you guys see that? It's kind of faint because it's a Tombow marker, but I think it's fine. So I'm going to actually grab my whiteout. This particular whiteout is like an off-white color, so it matches this older Tomo River paper that's still pretty yellow. I'm gonna try to cover up that. This section, like I said, was going to be our highlights. Let me put the kit right there. Highlight. Okay. And then on the other side, okay, cute. And then on the other side here, I'm going to do like my mood. So again, I used to have meals, habits, and mood like this, and then highlight. So now we're doing highlight, mood, and meals together in this box, and then habits. I didn't really like how I wasn't marking my mood on this spread, so I want to bring the mood back. So I want to try to put it in this box. So let's get the ruler again, and we'll use this yellow shade again. Let's just see if I can get this straight. Go over a few times. Okay. I don't know if I want to do both of these scripts. I don't think they're gonna fit well. Or how do I want to do this? I don't even know. Like if I did mood and then meal, no. All right, you guys, I'm back. I had to just step off and really think about what I wanted to do here. I'm going to leave the headers off, but what I did was I divided, I should have done the colors opposite, but it's fine. I've divided the boxes in half. So on the top will be my mood out of 10. So like 5 out of 10, 8 out of 10, depending on how my mood is each day. And then the bottom half will be like a meal. So what we ate that day. So yeah, I think I like that. It's totally fine. Okay, now I'm going to move on to what we do know. I like to put my habits in as well. So again, I'm skipping on these scripts, but we will do our habits. Just because the scripts, I can't add both of them up here. So it's fine. Now I'm just gonna draw in my little usual table for my habits. Oh guys, I'm doing so bad with my vitamins. We took our little pill container on our trip to Mexico and we can't find it. So I've just been off my game with my vitamins, but it's fine. One thing I do want to add or maybe replace is like PM skin. I really want to try to gua sha my face every day. If you don't know what gua sha is, it's like a skin, it's like a skincare technique. I think I'm gonna replace PM skin with gua sha. I want to do it at night, and I want to get into that habit. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's start off with AM skin. And then I do like how this looks. So I'm gonna keep our list there since we have this whole space for plans. Again, I think this was too much space and I feel like the stickers look a little bit too much. So I think giving myself a smaller space will make it a little bit more cohesive, hopefully. There are checklists. So should I just do a bunch of these checklists going down? The emoji heads kind of throw it off. I know they're super cute. I know you're supposed to put them like in every day, but I just don't work that way. I think I want to do, I guess Sunday and Monday. I think I'll put the dragon up here because I don't have many plans. I usually just have Pilates on Mondays. And then I'm gonna put this box down here on Sunday. Again, just the days that are typically less busy for me. Okay, this week, maybe a this week, or to do. Let's do it this week, I think. Change it up. So, I think if we, my gosh, these boxes are so small. What am I supposed to do with those boxes? Okay, should I also pull out, you know what? This is a lot of yellow going on because this is the Tombow I've been using. But I am gonna pull out my pink as well, just to kind of break it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna do like a little swipe here, bringing them some of the pink shade. And I think I'm just going to put a this week. Like right here. Should we just do that? Just to kind of divide it, you know? It's either that or I can layer this sticker. Maybe I'll layer the sticker because I don't know what else I would use this little sticker for. So I might as well just try to use it in this spread. All right, it's fine. You can't really tell, honestly, because of the color of everything, but I'm just trying to use up everything in here. It's the pink. Like, do I just, I guess I just do this, going all the way down. That's not really straight. Oh, but I don't want to lift it up because I don't want to mess it up. Let's do a blue. Now we have a bunch of these little boxes. We have this tiny, tiny habit tracker. I don't know how you're supposed to use that. It's so tiny. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 of these. And I don't have any major plans, except on Tuesday. I have dinner with a girlfriend, but I can use one of those for, okay, so these boxes here I'm gonna use for Pilates because, again, I just wanna use them up. So let's just put one on each day. I'm doing Pilates. So Monday, then we'll do, whoops, that one came off. We'll just alternate. Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm not going to Pilates, but Thursday I am. Thursday, Friday, Pilates, and Saturday. Okay, that worked out. Okay, so that's Pilates. I have dinner with my friend Sarah, and that is on Tuesday. So let's do maybe the blue. So that is for dinner with Sarah. So I'm just gonna put with Sarah. The Post-its are so small. Okay, and then I have happy hour plans with some girlfriends. I don't know if I like the polka dot. Yeah, I'll just use it. So I'm just gonna put HH for happy hour on Friday. And that's pretty much all of my set plans. And we don't have many things left. We do have this weekend banner, which we might as well use. Let's see. I guess I can put it here. So I'm just gonna put that right here to mark the weekend. Okay, I think that is everything. I'm going to write my to-do list off camera. Oh, you know what? I do want to put just a line, I think, across the top here. Oh my gosh, I can't see. This is so hard to do. Okay. All right. So I think that is everything for this spread. You know what? I am going to highlight February in this pink color just to pull in more of the pink there. And I think we're good. So again, I'm challenging myself to change up my spreads. I think I do like this much space for my plans, and we'll see how these sections go. Again, highlight, mood, and meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We used most of our stickers. If I have any other plans, I will pop them in. So I'll keep these stickers. I usually just keep them right here in the front. This is my monthly sticker kit. Again, if anything comes up, I have stickers and I can just pull from there. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Yeah, let me know how you guys are doing in your Hobonichi weeks. I really like how this looks, actually. Simplistic, yet with stickers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!